Hey, I was doing a little cleanup on the carburetor, just some general maintenance, cleaning out passages, make sure everything's looking good. Also replacing what I felt was kind of a questionable power valve. But while I was doing that, I was thinking, it's a nice little tip. Like when I work on carburetors or anything that has small passages or delicate work, obviously you're going to have your carburetor cleaner with your straw that you can use to spray everything out. But one thing that's really handy to have in the garage is your duster, your air that you can use for blowing stuff out, blowing out keyboards and things, because this has the same straw on it that the carburetor cleaner does. So this can get into all those same passages and blow them out too after you followed it up with the carburetor cleaner. So you don't have to get out air compressor or blow too much air, or potentially blow your metering block out of your hand while you're trying to blow passages out. This, just enough air, get the job done. Hope that helps you out. Have a good one.